Hello and welcome to this live cookery demonstration. Today I'm going to be making a roux and then with it making a béchamel, and that is a white sauce, which is a really useful skill to have, and it's a skill that making sauces is actually considered to be, one of the top skills in cookery. So we're going to be doing a few sauces, and these demonstrations won't always be about finished recipes. They're quite short, the demonstrations, and I figured out that showing you skills, techniques and smaller things like a sauce will help build your repertoire. Hopefully going to work soon, but meantime we get on with our roux. R-O-U-X, as I'm sure you know, and a roux is a mixture of equal parts in terms of weight, flour and butter. So this is 50 grams of this Flora butter, vegan butter, unsalted, and I'm just going to get that melting off, and let's just turn that down a little bit. So we've got 50 grams of fat there, and we're going to add 50 grams of flour, which I did weigh out earlier. I'm slowly but surely learning how to do this. So we're going to melt that down, and we're going to put the flour in, and we are going to cook the flour so the flour doesn't taste floury, basically. I'm going to just move this camera now, so I've got to do it very steadily so it doesn't get too confused. I found in practice what happened at this particular stage was it would start thinking it was going portrait, so that was all highly irritating. And yes, I've got a new sound system in, so I'm hoping that's all better as well. I will get the skills to do this. So this butter's melting, and we're going to put this flour in. Now, so a roux, you're cooking the flour and the butter, and you can do different types of roux, different colours if you like. So what we're going to do is a white roux, and that is cooked between 2 and 5 minutes. Then you have a medium roux, and that is cooked for between 5 and 10. I think you call that a blonde actually. Then it's a medium dark one, which is 10 to 15 minutes, and then a dark one is 15 to 30 minutes. So the length of time that you cook these for, that's traditional sort of French timings, French cooking timings. I haven't actually done dark roux. Always managed to do what I needed to do with a blonde one and a white one, so cooked for up to 10 minutes. So what we're doing here now is just allowing this flour to cook. And what you need to just be aware of is that there is a smell to it. And you smell, it doesn't exactly smell like cake, but it doesn't exactly not smell of anything either. So if your smell buds are alive and well, you will smell this starting to cook. Don't go mad on the heat. So yes, you can cook this for a while. So let's just look at the time, right? So okay, let's just do this for exactly 3 minutes. We've had it on a bit already. Now, so this is your roux, and it's all great, isn't it? Because you can use this roux to thicken anything, and you commonly I think in home cooking you will use a roux to thicken a white sauce.